Hi there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our latest craft workshop project to share with you. This is the T-Bar Pocket Album and box, and my sample's been decorated in papers from the Steampunk Spells Deluxe Collector's Edition and 8x8 pad from Graphic 45, which I loved first time round, and it's been a real joy to craft with it again on this project. So we have got a 3-inch deep box with a lipped base and lid and an optional frame on the top, and I've used my 8x8 paper and 12x12 paper on the frame just to create this lovely picture on the top. And then the lid lifts up, we've got a ribbon pull at the front, hidden hinge at the back, and inside we have got a really fun little T-Bar pocket album. So nice deep box, we've got a ribbon support for the lid, and I've decorated it in those gorgeous floral papers. And then the little album, it's a 4-page album, and it's 2 3/4 inches deep by 8.5 by 6.5. The box is 9.5 by 7.5 by 3, just in case you were wondering. And I've coordinated the front of the album with this lovely picture from the collection. I really like her with her corsets and her wings. And then let's take you through. So we have got 4 pages, all with a T-bar pocket and a different insert. So let's start off with the inside cover. This is all held closed with a lovely little pocket. We've got a lift up flap, perfect for your pictures, 2 side flaps and a bottom holder so that you can either stick or pop pictures inside. So lots of surface area to put your photos on, and that's all held closed. If I put it back together the right way, oops, 1, 2, 3, that one down, with our fun little pocket that's really versatile and gets used throughout the project, and it's just held closed with a clip there. And then look at all the colours in this collection. I'm a Halloween baby, I absolutely love Halloween, so oranges, blacks, purples, blues, I really enjoy crafting with. We've got spine strips here just to sort of continue the theme of the dots from the front to the back of the project. And then we've got all of our little T-bar pockets holding the inserts. So this one's just really simple, just 3 little flat surfaces to add your pictures to, and then a place at the back either to clip something on or stick something down with journaling. And again, this little picture here can be replaced with a photo, and that fits in at the T-bar number 1. All of the back pages, or the even pages, have got a nice flat surface for pictures. And then we have got pocket number 2 with a nice lift up flap here that opens out. We've got a band here that you can add things under, a pocket here, 2 surfaces that you can stick elements to, and a lovely pocket on the back. So nice fun little insert. And then a double-sided flip-up photo holder on the front. I've added one of the chipboard pieces there just as a detail. And all of the pockets have got the fun little coordinating stickers on as well. Nice space there for your pictures. And then insert number 3. We've got a double photo holder that lifts up on the front. And then it opens out, and it's got another little pocket insert on the inside, and then a nice surface on the back to add your detail to. And again, things can be clipped onto the pages or popped into the T-bar pockets behind the inserts. So a really versatile little album, that's a bit different and quite fun to make. And then we've got a plain page on the back there. And our fourth insert has got a swing photo holder on the right hand side, and then a fold out flap. It's got a little pocket. Again, these are great, these little flaps, because you can add photos to them as well. And then there is an acetate holder in the centre of that page, which can be added to any of the pages in any of the inserts. So the class has got options, or the project has got options. I'll talk to you about the class in a minute. And then it all closes up, but it can be opened the other way, as well, and that flips the other way, so you can put pictures on the back of the flap if you wanted to. All the inserts, let's get it closed in the right way. All the inserts have been designed so that you can get the most out of your 12 by 12 papers as well. And then flipping over another page, you can see all the pages increase in size as they go from back to front, or front to back, and the pockets increase in depth as you work from the front to the back of the album too, until you get to the very back, where we've got our final insert. We've got a ribbon, a button and thread closure on this one, with a little doodad on the end, a little pocket on the front of it. You can pop your bits and pieces in there. It flips up. We've got a pocket on the inside for these fabulous cards that come in the collection, and then it opens out so that you can have a whole montage of pictures across the surfaces, and then there's room for extra bits and pieces to be added in the middle. And we've got another one of the little fun pockets here, and then it just folds up and does up and slides back into the T-bar. So that's the project. It's available to join me and make if you love it and you'd like to make it yourself in our next craft workshop, which is delivered through Facebook Live. But we have offered an optional watch the videos through YouTube after the live event. If you're not a Facebooker but you'd like to make the project, then you can follow all of the videos once the live class is finished in YouTube. So if you really love the project and you'd like to make it, do follow the link below in the description, and once you purchase the class you've got unlimited access to it as well. So it's always packed full of tips and techniques as we craft along, as I think of things as we're creating, and it's a great way of sharing your creativity with our crafting community, which is wonderful. So I hope you can join us. Let's pop this back in the little box. I hope it's been happy crafting, and hopefully I'll see you in the class. Thanks for watching.